What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing another wash and go, and I am going to be revisiting some old products that I've already used. I've only used them once, so that's why I want to revisit them. I got a pretty good wash and go with them the last time, but I also was not able to come back and show you like third day hair. So this time I want to do it again and be able to show you third day hair. It lasted for me last time, I think 5 days. So we're gonna see if we can get it to last another 5 days this time. So what I'm gonna use today is the miellepomegranate&honey curl defining mousse along with the maximum hold gel styler. We're gonna see how it works again today. And yeah, y'all know I'm trying to use up my stash. So, ooh, it's stuck, guys. I'm gonna need to run it under hot water, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna need to run this under hot water, but hold on, give me a second. I'm back. So you guys know I'm trying to use up my stash, and I decided to use this combo again because I remember it working for me before, and I do want my hair to turn out today. So I didn't want to try to put some things together today that I wasn't sure about. So I wanted to use this, but I also wanted to be able to show y'all what, you know, third day hair looks like. So I'm applying the mousse first to my hair. Then I'm gonna go in with the gel on top. I did apply a leave-in. I used the pomegranate and honey leave-in. I normally don't use a leave-in when I do mousse and gel combos, but because it's so cold here, I said, let me go ahead and just go in with a leave-in. So I did use the matching leave-in. It's already in my hair. I didn't use a lot, but I did use some. These products smell good, guys. And another reason why I'm using this combo is because I need my hair to dry fairly quickly. I was gonna do a twist down, and then I was like, Rachel, no, you're gonna need your hair up and twist for a few days for it to dry, and you got places to go. So I was like, can't do a twist out even though I wanted to. I could have probably sat under the dryer with my twist out, but I don't normally do that. Or I probably could have tried to use the RaeRae, but guys, I don't want to pull out that big old contraption. So I just opted for this, and it'll give me a chance to use it up. Okay guys, so you see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna do this all around my head, and I'll be back when it's all applied. All right guys, so I got all the product applied. I'm gonna sit under the dryer, let it dry, and we'll be back for the final results. Okay guys, so I am back, and this is my hair. I did stretch it a little bit just because I wanted to see how it stretched. I will say that this combo is a very soft combo. I said that in my previous video. If you have not seen that video, I'll link it here, and you'll see what my hair looks like, and you'll hear what I said in that video. Same thing as I'm saying now. It is a soft hold. So the fact that this says curl defining mousse with hold, and this says maximum hold gel styler, I'm letting you guys know that it is a soft hold, okay? So if you're looking for a crunch, you're not getting crunch with this. At least I didn't the 2 times that I used it. In that video, I believe I did one of my sides of my head with just mousse and gel, and I think I did the other side with leave-in mousse and gel just to see the difference. There wasn't a big difference, but I think the side with the leave-in gave me a little bit more hang, but not much. This time I decided to use leave-in over all my head just because it's so cold out and it's a soft hold, okay? It does define the hair though, which is fine. And like I said, I got 5 days last time and it defined the hair last time as well. So this is my hair after I stretched it, and you can still see that there is a lot of definition, okay? So yeah, I didn't get any flaking again, so this combination works well. No flakes. I think it's a good combination, especially if you want soft, touchable hair. You want to be able to get it big on day one. This might be the route to go, okay? And the leave-in with it, okay? I don't have a lot of shine to my hair, but I'm not sure if this says shine. I didn't even read it because this is my second time using it. I don't remember what I said in the other video, but let's see. For hold for type 4 hair is what it says. It's infused with key essential oils such as shea butter, pomegranate, honey, apple, aloe, jojoba for moisture and hydration. So it doesn't really say anything about shine, okay? And this one, perfect for wash and go styles as well. It says use to smooth and set sleek, frizzless top knots, ponytails, pineapple styles, perfect for defining, clumping, and elongating wash and go styles for maximum curl control. So again, it's saying curl control. It still doesn't say anything about shine. So there you go. It's not claiming to give you shine. It's claiming to tame your curls, give you some definition, give you some hold. So yeah. But my hair is very soft. It's very soft. I'm gonna say that now. So hopefully it'll last 5 days again. We're gonna see, okay? But anyway, that's it for this video, guys. If you have used this combo before and you got it to give a little bit more hold, let us know what you did. If you have used this combo and your hair was soft as well, let us know that too in the comment section below. Let us know what type hair you have too, whether you have finer hair, looser hair or whatever, just so the girlies in the comments can get an idea of if it will work for them or not. You guys know I have type 4 hair. It's thicker, so yeah, and it did this for my hair and I'm happy with it. I like the wash and go. I like the bigness of it. I even like the softness of it, guys. I did miss a section back here. I think I got a whole section back here that I didn't get gel on. I think I got mousse on it, but I didn't get any gel on it. It feels a little frizzy. Let me turn around and let y'all see the back because I forget to do that. Okay, so that's the back. Hopefully it looks okay in the back. I didn't try to get rid of the part or anything. All I did was stretch my hair and that was it. So I can hurry up and come on here. Okay guys, popping on real quick to show you third day hair. Didn't do anything but take it out of my lock sock and just messed with it like this. Not going anywhere, so I'm not going to do a lot to it, but as you can see for third day it still has a lot of definition and it definitely has some halo frizz, but I'm okay with it. If I did have to go somewhere, I could fluff it up, put on some makeup, and I would be fine. But let's see if it's gonna last till day 5. I'll be back. Okay guys, popping in to show you 5th day hair. It is morning. Well, yeah, it's morning. It's 11:15. I'm getting ready to wash my hair. Not going anywhere. So yeah, I thought I was gonna go out today and be able to wear it out, but I'm not. It's still cold out there, and the things that I was gonna do today I actually got done yesterday. So yeah, this is 5th day hair, guys, and it still looks good. Very defined still, little bit of frizz definitely up here, some mixed in, but for the most part the hair still looks good. It still feels pretty good. I have not remoisturized it since I use the products, so the fact that I have not remoisturized it in 5 days, I think that that's good. So yeah, to me right now, I do want to put some water on it. Give it a little bit of moisture. And yeah, but if for some reason I needed to keep this a couple more days, I definitely could. I could just spray like a leave-in water mixture on my hair or a refresher spray on my hair, give it a little bit of moisture and keep it moving. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it, but I did want to come on and let y'all see what 5th day hair looks like, and I think it looks pretty good and it still feels good to the touch. I would not mind someone putting their hands in my hair right now. It feels good to the touch. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it let you know whether or not these products work well and can last 5 days, even though it's a soft hold. Yes, it can. So it is soft to the touch, but the hold is there. It does last. So I'm not mad at these. I actually quite like it. I think I like it. I think before I said I don't know if I would repurchase, I think I would. I think I would repurchase this gel again because I love the bigness, I love the fluffy, I love the softness. I wish it had a little bit more shine, but I can deal with that. I like it. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Let me know what y'all think. I mean, I wanted to revisit it again because like I said, the first time I was like, well, it's not really a hard hold. It's okay. But then I realized it lasted 5 days and it's like, okay. And so I wanted to see if it'll last again 5 days, and it does. So, and as cold as it is, it's not feeling real dry and brittle. These are moisturizing. These are moisturizing together, and they do give the hold. This to me, I have on underneath it as well. So it's probably helping out in the moisture. This is still not my favorite leave-in, but I'm not mad at it in conjunction with the mousse and the gel. So yeah, guys. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hype it. Hype the video too if you felt like it was helpful. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.